Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Then and now, social club and sports field shifted as supermarket springs up. Image, Google Street View. Over the years the club, which opened in around 1963 and was bought by members in 1973, got used as a pub for socializing and for skittles, tennis, football, darts, snooker, pool and bingo, as well as for bands, dancers and presentation events. The football club played on the adjoining field along with other sides and was formed in 1926 by factory workers from Archdale Machine Tool Company in Birmingham. The factory had opened a site in Blackpole, Worcester, which eventually became its headquarters, but the manufacturing firm eventually closed in 1972. At its strongest, the Dales football setup operated on Saturdays in the old Midland Combination. Now, the same location 12 years later in 2024 below, with the Lidl supermarket and new Archdales Club just up the hill with a playing field behind it. Image, Google Street View. The old club closed in 2015 and within 2 months was partly destroyed by a fire. It was due to be demolished to make way for Lidl and the new building. The Lidl of the Future store eventually opened in 2016 and attracted 10,000 customers on the first day. It was followed by the new Archdales Social Club, which continues to host sports, music, functions and events, while the football pitch behind is home to new Dales Vale FC.